With version 4.2, Stella adds parallelization to sensitivity and some types of optimization. While this is all behind the scenes, I wanted to demonstrate, first of all, why it matters, and secondly, some places where things are slightly different. This model is a FRIDA, an integrated assessment model. It's open source and available from GitHub. And what I want to do is now in version 4.2 run a sensitivity on this. You can see when you do that, it creates one run after the other and then fills in the graphs with the runs as they're created. Rather than waiting for that to complete, I'm going to switch to version 4.2 and do exactly the same thing. So I'll click on srun, and you'll see that rather than filling one, we get a whole bunch of runs filling in. And these runs are all run in parallel, and it's already completed its work. So let me switch to a couple other cases we might have. Here's one in which we're using sensitivity with a termination criteria. If the cost is over $10 million, we don't want to continue the sensitivity run. So if I go and run sensitivity on this, you'll see, first of all, that it says 204 of the runs were good. And then here's a distribution of the runs that you've got. Now, the thing that is different from the previous versions, instead of run 1, 2, 3, 4, it'll be 1, 4, 5, 6. And the reason for this is that the runs are run in parallel, so we don't actually know which ones to reject until after they've completed. This is a distribution of cost versus completion time. But suppose that we wanted to get a better understanding of how those two relate to one another. And that can be done with the differential evolution optimization. So let me just run that. And you can see that what happens there is we get a distribution curve that looks like this. And when it's run differential evolution, what it does is it again runs all of the generations in parallel. So a generation, I think in this model, has 100 members, so there are 100 runs run in parallel for each generation, and then it goes through the generations, improving the quality of the outcome. Very quickly, one other difference occurs when you're using multi-start, and that is that each of the starts is actually run parallel. So if I click on O-run here and I look at the results, what I will see is that we're getting the best run. After 10 runs, we get this and that, and what's happening is in the background it's running all of the runs, and every time the globally found optimization value is found, it gets recorded. So the reporting of these may be in a different order than it would have been had the optimization been done sequentially. So that's a very quick kind of overview of some of the things that are happening with parallelization. These models are available using the link that's associated with this video.